Hi, I'm Lauren Daniels, and if you're watching this, it means you'll be joining me for the Short Story Fundamentals and Feedback course sponsored by the South Coast Writers Center. How is this going to work? Well, I'm asking you to email me your short story, and I will be using track changes to put a little bit of editorial markup in there, but the business end is when we meet on Saturday to discuss my findings in a very supportive, positive critique. If you're nervous, don't be. I'm not only an editor, but a writer, and I've been a writer for a long time, and I've been through this process, so I know exactly how it feels, and I will be constructive, but gentle and evidence based. You're going to come away inspired and ready to go into your revisions. So don't worry, I will see you there, and I really look forward to meeting with you and hanging out on our Saturday mornings. Thank you.